To kodhi kaunti ma Migori ni jagoro mar riwruog jopuonje mar Kuppet pacho ka Yakelo Misori oseyo duol mang'iyo weche mag osara SRC ewi temo bago keto tim winjruok mar CBA ma yande koro noketi e kind jopuonj to kod piny owacho e kinde bago mokadho. Ripot ma kamano Sophie Sao bende miyowa mathoth.
Misori mane loso e kar tiegruok mar jopuonj ma Migori e kinde mane oyuoro e romo mar Kuppet bade ma Migori oyango ni koro sani duol mang'iyo weche mag osara kata Salaries Remuneration Commission obukore kod obadho moko maonge e winjruok.
One major obstacle and which will bring a lot of anxiety in the CBA negotiations in this country is the Constitutional Commission called the Salaries Remuneration Commission. It tries to take advantage of the field, and because there is lack of employment in many of these traditional areas, to ensure that they really interfere in the process of negotiations.
Kata kamano jiwo jopuonj mondo nyakue ni mar gidhi bedo kod winjruok maber bang' yiero madwe manyien.
Even currently they have written to Parliament and the issue was deferred, that they want to put certain conditions. Those are the things which are a real hindrance, because there would be no need of having the constitutional provision at Article 41 that unions have workers have the right to form, join and participate in collective bargaining. So this is something which has been compromised, and it is being compromised at the expense of the turmoil which is likely to be brewed. Remember what is now happening in the UK, where the Labour Margaret Thatcher chose to really sit on unions. Currently, you realize that railway workers are on the streets, those who are manning Uber are on the streets, those who are working in various fields are on the streets. It is because of policies and because of institutions which are created like Salaries and Remuneration Commission. So that is, so far, that is what is there.
Sejego eko Misori okwayo piny owacho midhi losi manyien mondo ket gwenge mowinjore e oboke mar piny owacho eka jopuonj oyudo omenda mabalang' mar kuonde mantiere kod midhiero kata hardship allowance kaka gwengego eko Manyatike kaachiel kod Kuria East e kaunti ma Migori.
I would wish to touch on the issue of hardship areas like we have in Suna East, not Suna East, but Manyatike and Kuria East. These are regions which are dangerously hardship areas, prone to pangs of weather and to issues of banditry and even cattle rustling, especially in the Kuria East. We don't know for how long it may take to gazette such areas, because there are areas in this country which are benefiting from hardship, which are actually urban areas. But these regions require to be addressed. We are being told that what is hindering the development of hardship benefits is because they have not been gazetted. So we are urging the new parliament coming on board after tonight to work with haste to ensure that these barriers are removed so that we have those regions gazetted.
Lolwe TV and Sophie Sao.